Hi guys, good morning. Off to my part-time job. What day is today? It is Tuesday, 20th of January. 20 days has been taken away already of 2026. 2027 is nearly coming. Oh, I thought, thank you Lord, I'm still alive. I'm doing some part-time job. Funny me. It's alright. I'm charging. Okay. My hair is still wet, so I better. I'll tie it later. Center. Did I close the I will check guys if I close the garage. Yeah, the garage is closed. Oh my gosh, because I did not remember that I really closed the garage using the remote control. Oh guys, too forgetful again. That's me when I'm in a hurry. It's hot today. I don't know what's the temperature. Last night 34. It was very hot. I did not turn on my split system. I turned off my evaporative aircon. I'm scared to catch fire while I'm sleeping, so there's a car, big car. Ayun. So this is it. Funny me. Oh, I'm hungry. What did I eat? When I eat cereal, you know, if it's only cereal, but it has banana on top and walnuts. I feel too hungry. What time did I eat? Oh, it was 5 o'clock. Imagine my breakfast was 5 o'clock because I woke up at 4 and could not sleep anymore, so I better get up and do some household chores. Funny me. How I wish I could sleep long play, but I can't. Every 4 o'clock, whether I sleep late or early, 4 o'clock, that's my time clock. I don't like that time clock. Wow, so many birds again. That area is really with birds. Every time I pass by in the morning, but I could not take a video. I could not film on it because I'm in a hurry to work. I'm not traversing the Mari Valley Highway. This is my highway. It's only about 2 seconds traversing the Mari Valley Highway. This is it, and then I turn left to get out from the Mari Valley Highway, from my highway. And now I'm on the other Victoria Road to my work, my part-time. It's only a part-time job, guys. It's not long. It's only 4 hours today, and tomorrow Wednesday 3 hours. But if there need be, I have to call the office. I have to extend my number of hours, but usually I don't bother. I want to go home and stay on my bed. It's only on a Thursday that I work 7 hours. Oh, last Friday I worked more than 7 hours. Yeah, because there was a special trip. If it's on a special trip, guys, that's really very long. Yeah, more than 8 hours. yourselves, guys. Don't neglect your job. Yeah, because without job, no life. There's no life, no job, no life. Yeah. I don't believe people saying that money is not important. Money is important. You can't live without money. Okay? Okay.